Okay, so for this problem, we're looking at this diagram that shows two tensions, T1 and T2, and also a tension here holding an object of 10 kilograms. Now, in order to solve this problem, first what we need to do is isolate the body of 10 kilograms. So, the first thing we did was see what forces are acting on the body of 10 kilograms, and the forces that are acting on it is the tension T3 and also the mass times the gravity of the object. Now, in order for this object to be in equilibrium or not moving, the tension 3 and the mass have to equal 0. So that means that the tension 3 and the mass times the gravity are equal. Next, we want to find T1 and T2. So as we can see here, we isolated the tensions, and we can see that T1, T2, and T3 form three angles, but we're focusing on these angles right here. One is 10 degrees and one is 30 degrees. And now we can use these angles to form the equations for tension 1 and tension 2 in both the y direction and the x directions. So we can see here that in the y direction, the equation for both of the tensions is T1 sine 10 plus T2 sine 30 minus 10 times the gravity, which is equal to 0. And in the x direction, we can see that the equation is tension 1 times cos 10 plus tension 2 times cos 30 equals 0. But now we have to solve to find the tensions. So here we found tension 2. Tension 2 is equal to tension 1 cos 10 over cos 30. And here, using the x, we were able to find tension 2, and using the y, we were able to find tension 1, which once you solve all of the equations, you see that tension 1 is 134.7. So that means that this value is 134.7. That's tension 1. And tension 2 is tension 1 sine 30